So welcome to a video on the evaluate formula function within Microsoft Excel. So if we go to the formulas tab, we will see here there's a button called evaluate formula. So here I've got a formula. This is taking F2 divided by by G2. So a lot of times you'll have to go back and figure out like, okay, well, what's F2? What's G2? What are they doing? Wait, was it dividing one by the other? What's nice about the evaluate formula is you can do that all in one place. So you can see this pop-up that comes up. And if I just move this over, so we've got the actual formula here, F2 divided by G2. Now I can do evaluate, and it will actually show me the number that is being divided. And then I hit evaluate again. So it actually shows me 22723 divided by 283. And it shows me what that result is. But what's nice is if I can do a step in and I can actually see what that is. So that is the sum that is being done there. And then if I step out, I can step into this next one and I can do the count. So that's nice because then I can see exactly what's going on. So again, I can step into the sum, I can step out, and then I can step into the count. And I can see exactly what's going on in this formula without actually having to click around and go find ones. A lot of times this is a lot more difficult than this. This is all right here in this field, right next to the formula. But sometimes these formulas are on other sheets. They could be in other workbooks. They could be lookups. So this is a nice little functionality that you can use. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.